I found this dress and I really like the fabric, and today I'm gonna try to make this into something looking like this. Look at the pattern. Literally, I have not used my sewing machine, so I have no idea what to do, but I thought, what's the best way to learn if not to try to make something? I kind of measured it already, and this should be just enough to actually make the dress. Here, one of the pieces, it says that there's a zipper on one side. I already have a zipper here, so I kind of can skip this step, which I think is great. I really hope I have some chalk that I can use. First, I just started cutting all the seams, so I will have only the flat fabric left. I have cut everything, and this I think is gonna be like for the front. That's maybe the waist bits, and then this is the skirt. Still with us up here. Yeah, so now let's just draw. How the dress is just enough for me to do everything. So I didn't think about it, but because the fabric is gingham, let's say that's how you pronounce it. So this kind of goes more diagonal than straight, and the back skirt is going straight, so it might look a bit funny for the chest pieces. So there was a very long piece, you know, it kind of, I guess, like goes here and then goes around your neck. So it's not really enough, and I think one piece is a bit shorter than the other, so obviously I have to make them the same length. I should have enough fabric if I need to do like a strap around my neck, so now I just need to cut everything. I also pinned some of the things that's supposed to be folded fabric. Got all the pieces, so the back skirt, the front skirt, and the little bits for the front and the waistband. So I don't know how many days have passed since the last time I filmed, maybe like a good week. So I got all the pieces and I needed to start pinning them. So I started practicing the stitches and it was okay. And then kind of the daylight was finished, and I was like, oh yeah, I'll just do it midweek at some point. And then I just got carried away and nothing happened. So I'm back. I got my sewing machine here. I did some pinning. Things are pinned. I mean, this is a waistband. This will work. I don't know. The thing is, instructions have a lot of things as double layer, and I don't have enough fabric for that. So I'm a bit winging it, and I need to actually check again if the sewing machine is working, and just, I guess, try and I hope for the best. Also, I got this little thing that's supposed to help me to keep the seam, well, the same kind of bit. So hopefully that does help. Moment of truth. So I don't know why it got a bit like just uneven here. And yeah, so this looks fine. Okay, let's do that there. Okay. It's not too bad. Does this look very even? I don't know. But the waistband is done. After somewhat successful sewing the waistband, I started sewing other parts of the dress together. And one would think you would do it step by step with the pattern instructions advised, but since I did not have enough fabric to make some people's double layered, I just went with whatever looked easiest and doable at that moment. I actually made a skirt. Well, I mean, that's not perfect, but I mean, it's a skirt. Never mind this random bit. But it's definitely getting there, and then I'll have the waistband and everything, and I think it will be good. It might work out. So I have done the skirt, kind of, and some bits of the waistband. The other thing I need to kind of gather the bits like in the front. Have I done that before? No. I read kind of how to do it, watch the video, so we'll see. Now it's time for the real thing. You can tell I'm very concerned / concentrated. Maybe not perfect, but it worked. After I did the edges of the top bits, I used lots of clips to make sure it's folded evenly. It was probably the scariest one because there's no marker for me to have. Okay. There is some imperfections for sure. You can see here it kind of was going straight, and it just became a bit wider here. But I don't think it's the worst. Some more progress. I've hemmed the skirt part. I'm not really doing it step by step by the pattern. Just kind of doing it what next I could achieve. So yeah, I did this. It looks quite good, I think. Like, definitely not the best, you know, could be better, but from the distance I don't think you can tell, and it looks quite even, like the edge and stuff. So quite proud with that. I pinned the waistband and I guess the chest area. So at first I thought, oh, these were very great and I did such a good job, so, but I think one is slightly crooked, but like it's not the worst. I just need to sew everything. I did a mistake though, when I did the whole, you know, this crunching thing. I did this quite high up, so I don't think it will be hidden when I sew it, but I think I might just take out the thread and it should be okay. Okay, so I got the seam ripper, and I think I should be able just to rip the seam, and hopefully that will be okay. So this is done. I think it looks quite good. Does it look wonky? Maybe. But maybe it will be fine on my body. We'll find out. I checked the, you know, this waistband and the zipper. It's slightly too, well, the zipper is slightly too long, so I need to move. I checked online, I need to kind of move these, like, there's like little plastic bits here, so I need to undo them and move them where I need it to be. So I hope that works out. And then, so I think I'll try to just sew the waistband first and just leave whatever is at the end and kind of adjust according to that the zipper. And then after that, I will be officially done. So fingers crossed everything works out. I feel that somehow the waistband is wider than the actual skirt, and I don't know how that is going. Okay, let's just try to pin this, and I guess hope for the best, like always in this project. Okay, so I did pin it, and it's like, I don't know, it's like this kind of gets crumpled, so it is slightly too wide. I need to somehow move it, I guess. but it'll be slightly off the whole other stitch, so it might look a bit funny. But remove, it's fine. I just don't know why, because the die cut was somehow smaller. Because I feel like I could stretch it out, but I don't think it's supposed to be stretched out. Did I do this upside down or something? I don't understand. Yeah, because if I put this like this is just loose. It doesn't really go nicely, but the top does. So I did, I think, make it sew it upside down, the waistband. So I don't know. I don't know, something's just not lining up. I think maybe I sewed the front bits, like for the chest, a bit wrong, and now everything looks wrong. But isn't the whole dress slightly wonky? And anyway, I'll just try to sew it, and yeah. Also undid the zipper a bit more, because before it was fabric, because I thought it would be easier. And then, yeah, so if this works out somehow, just need to fix the zipper, and we're, done. Okay, so I tried it on, and it looks kind of fine, but because it is upside down the waistband, how I suspected, there's like this thing here. Looks slightly wonkier than I thought, but I'm thinking maybe if I can just do a straight line here, it might hide it and it will be okay. I tried to pin it to make it a straight line, and then you can see the waistband becomes extremely short. I think I need to undo the waistband and this thing that I did for the chest, and then sew it upside down, and hopefully that fixes the problem. One done and another to go. So the other day I undid my waist and I did all the front bit, everything, kind of just left the skirt. Realized the skirt actually I think is too wide. So probably the waistband is normal, like it's proper length, how it should be, but the skirt is too wide, so that's when nothing is matching. But I kind of figured it out, and then I started doing it, and I did this waist again, but I somehow managed to do it wrong side. This is the front, and this is like the proper side, and I sewed it wrong, so I need to undo it again, and then we can restart again. Also today I went to the gym and we went to use our skateboards, which we haven't done in like 2 years. I didn't wear any protections, and now I fell and I have this whole bruise on my hand and on my knee, and I'm like, perfect. Oh yeah, also my other hands. Somehow I got bruised on all the sides, so wear your protections. I think it worked out, so this is fine. And now what I thought, because the waistband is fine, but the skirt itself is a bit too wide, so I might just do another one. So this waistband, do from the back skirt part and kind of sew, cover a little bit how much I would need to cover the zipper, and just sew from there. And then whatever this like side is free or like loose, whatever it's too much, I will just kind of pin it and sew it from there, so it actually kind of fits how it should. At least that's the plan, and I really hope it works out. So I've sewed everything, the sides as well, and I just need to now take this in, which is a bit wider, and make it kind of the same width as, starts from here, so take this in. And I think then it should be kind of same width altogether, and everything should be fine for the skirt, and then I just need to gather the front again and sew it, and I feel like that was very difficult, but now it kind of could be the easiest thing. Try to pin it kind of around my hips so it's even on both sides. So that's how it's looking. Disregard the noises, there's just some construction. But yeah, so I think it looks quite even. So now I just need to do the front. So I watched a video regarding the zipper, because this is slightly too long. And so before what I watched, we said that I need to take off these like very tiny stoppers at the top of the zipper and move them and so on, but I kind of just checked and I think I can just cut it and put this like little bead. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, it's like this little bead just to put like at the very top of the zipper where I need it, and then I will just I'll just sew everything and then that will be officially done. So I cut it off and it works. So I have finished the dress. Ta-da! It's not perfect, but considering this is the first thing I ever made, I'm very happy with how it turned out. And one thing, so I did need to do just the zipper at the end, and I was, in the beginning I was like, oh, so clever. I don't need to do the zipper at the back. You can see here, there's actually buttons, and at some point so there's a zipper, and there's buttons because I messed up the zipper. I kind of sewed a bit over it and then it got stuck, so I needed to make it shorter. It's just fine, it worked out, it's all good. It's just, I think if the zipper was not there before and I could just sew it how the instructions were telling me to do, it probably would have been much, much easier. But, you know, we learn, it's okay. Thank you so much for watching, I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you in my next video, bye!